Do you know the procedure to download Form 26A has changed and you can download it now in 3 simple steps? Yes, you heard it right. You can view your tax credit statement from the new income tax e-filing portal in just 3 steps. Form 26A is an important document required for filing the income tax return. This income tax form 26A is linked with your PAN. It contains a consolidated view of the tax deducted at source, that is TDS, and tax collected at source, that is TCS, during the year. Apart from tax deductions, other details such as advance tax and self-assessment tax paid during the year appear in Form 26A. Since the income tax return filing last date is fast approaching, you should download Form 26A and cross-check all the details in advance. Do you want to know how you can download Form 26A from the new income tax portal? Hello and welcome. Myself Namita, a tax expert at Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services software platform for individuals. Do subscribe to our channel to support us and hit the bell icon to never miss any important video. In this video, let us understand how to download Form 26A from the new income tax portal with a live demo. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Form 26A is available on Traces portal. You can download Form 26A via net banking. The facility to view Form 26A via net banking is available only if you have a net banking account with the bank that is authorized for the same. Another simple way to download Form 26A is through logging into the new income tax e-filing portal. If you don't have an account in the income tax portal, you will need to register first. Let me now give you the live demo on how to download Form 26A from the new income tax portal. Log into the new income tax e-filing portal. Visit the link www.incometax.gov.in. On the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner. It will redirect you to the login dashboard, where you need to enter your PAN as a user ID, once you enter your PAN, click on the Continue button. Now confirm your secure access message by selecting the checkbox and then enter your password of e-filing account. Continue to proceed further. Step 2. In the e-filing dashboard, select the e-filing tab. Select Income Tax Returns in the drop-down and then choose View Form 26A. Now confirm the disclaimer. It will redirect you to the Traces utility. Select the checkbox and click on the Proceed button. Step 3. Click on the link View Tax Credit Form 26A to view your Form 26A. You can now select the relevant assessment year for which you require Form 26A. For example, for financial year 2021, you can select assessment year 21-22 and select View as HTML. To view the statement, click on the View or Download button. Now scroll down below and you can see your Form 26A. If you want to download the statement, you can click on the button Export as PDF. This is how you can view or download your Form 26A from the new income tax e-filing portal. I hope you understood the procedure to download Form 26A. Please confirm by writing yes in the comment section below. Let us now understand how to read the downloaded Form 26A. Form 26A contains various parts. Let us understand each part of Form 26A. Starting with Part A, it contains the details of TDS deducted on your salary, interest income, pension income, and prize winnings, etc. The amount of TDS deducted and deposited are mentioned deductor-wise along with the TAN number. Please note, this information will be reflected in Form 26AS when the deductor files a TDS return. Part A is further subdivided into Part A1 and Part A2. Part A1 shows the details of income where no TDS has been deducted because the taxpayer has submitted Form 15G or Form 15H. You can verify the status of TDS deduction in this section if you have submitted Form 15G or 15H. If there are no such transactions, this section will display the message "No transactions present." Details of tax deducted at source on sale of immovable property under Section 194IA is shown in Part A2. This is applicable if you have sold the property during the year and TDS was deducted from your receipts. You will find the relevant entries in this section. Part B of Form 26AS shows the details of tax collected at source by the seller of goods. Entries are present here if you are a seller and tax is collected by you. If you have deposited any tax yourself, that information will appear in Part C of Form 26AS. For example, details of advance tax as well as self-assessment tax paid during the financial year are present here. It also contains details of challan through which the tax was deposited. Information regarding your refund, if any, will be present in Part D of Form 26AS. Assessment year to which the refund pertains, along with the mode of payment, amount paid and interest paid, and also the date of payment is mentioned over here. Banks and other financial institutions must report high-value transactions to the tax authorities. If any such high-value transactions of the taxpayer are reported to the income tax authorities, it will reflect in Part E of Form 26AS. Mutual fund purchases of high value, property purchases, high-value corporate bonds are all reported here. If you have bought a property, you have to deduct TDS before making payment to the seller. Part F of Form 26AS has details of TDS deducted and deposited by you with respect to such transactions. Defaults relating to the processing of statements are mentioned in Part G of Form 26AS. However, they do not include the demands raised by the assessing officer. For more transparency, the format of Form 26AS was enlarged and amended to include information received from the GST authorities. It mentions the total turnover declared by the taxpayer in GSTR 3B form. Such information appears in Part H of Form 26AS. In this way, you can download and read Form 26AS. If you have more questions related to Form 26AS, please comment below. We will reply to it as soon as we can. Further, we have included all resources related to Form 26AS in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the Clear channel for more such informative videos. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get an update as and when we upload new videos. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.